Does Liquid-Plumr Urgent Clean really work in 15 minutes on a very slow drain? Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. I have a very slow drain in my kitchen. My bathroom sink, and I'm about to find out if this Liquid-Plumr stuff really does work. It's actually Liquid-Plumr Urgent Clear, not Urgent Clean, as I keep calling it, Urgent Clear. Here's the current situation. I'm going to take the stopper out so you can see exactly what happens, but even using the water at full force, it's like shooting up like mess from the bottom. You can see like pieces of stuff coming up. So I know that the drain is clogged. It's pushing up pieces of debris from down in there. What I've already tried is pouring boiling water down it several times. I've tried baking soda and vinegar, and I poured straight bleach in there and let it set while I was running errands and went to the doctor this morning. So just running water to shave or to brush your teeth or wash your face, it fills up like this and takes a very long time to drain out. So I know that there's a clog down in there. I even got a toothbrush and like cleaned down in there as far as I could go. And I'm not seeing any kind of hair or anything trapped around the mechanism. Something is way down in there. Looks nasty, doesn't it? You see bubbles coming up. So I tried all the home remedies that I have, and I went to Walmart and saw this. The Liquid-Plumr Urgent Clear. Excuse my voice. I've got like a little cold thingy going on. It's made by Clorox. And the reason I bought this one is it has a product guide on the back. And I do have not a fully clogged drain, but a slow drain. And I think it's a hair clog, and this one worked on all three of those. So I thought it would probably be the best one to possibly use. I didn't see a full clog destroyer, or I would have bought that. They did have the hair clog destroyer, but I didn't really know what benefit the 70% more actives was going to give me. So I chose this one. There's all the hoo-ha if you want to pause the video and read it. Here goes. The instructions are simple. It says to pour the entire bottle down the drain. Wait 7 minutes. For slow drains, wait at least 15 minutes. So I'm going to wait 15 minutes. And then flush with hot water. And my water hasn't even drained yet from me showing you what the problem was. So I'll have to wait a minute or two on that. It looks as if it has two compounds that are going to mix together when I pour this. They don't come out quite evenly. One looks like it's a really thick gel. And the other one's a little more runny. Sorry for the shakiness on the camera. My tripod legs have broken. Well, it's going down in there. I'm supposed to shake it. Well, I guess I'll just leave this propped up in here, and if there's any left, it can go down in there. Maybe not. Set the timer for 15 minutes and wait. It's been 15 minutes, and I have 4 cups of water that I microwaved for 6 minutes when I started the timer on this. So I'm going to get this out of the way. Hopefully this works. Ooh, I think it's much better. I think that is much better. I think I'm going to run another thing of hot water down it to make sure. Here's another 4 cups of water that I'll microwave for 6 minutes. Oh, that is much better. Now that makes me happy. It really does work. It really worked. Yay. Thanks for watching my video review of the Liquid-Plumr Urgent Clean. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. And if you have time, watch another video on YouTube because I'd like for you to stick around and consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. I'm always looking for ways to solve problems and make life easier. Bye.